Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and today I just want to show you quickly how I make granola at home. Granola is very easy to make, and without wasting time, I'll get into it. For this recipe, I'll use 4 cups of rolled oats. This oat is bigger in size than the instant cooking one we use for making porridge. I have some gently crushed almond nuts. This is not up to 1/4 cup. I have here 1/4 cup of raisins. I love the burst of sweetness this brings to my granola. I have here coconut flakes, which I made myself. I have the recipe here on this channel. You can easily make this yourself. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll be using 1 cup of this, and then honey. You can replace this with maple syrup if you like. In this bowl, I have salt and I have cloves powder. In place of clove, you can use cinnamon powder. I love cloves flavor and it works well for this recipe. A little vegetable oil to make our granola crispy. I'm going to be mixing everything in this oven tray, since this is what I'll be using to bake it, instead of mixing in a bowl and now transferring it here. So for now, what I'm going to be adding is just the oat, the salt, the clove powder and almond, and of course honey and vegetable oil. I'm going to mix all of this together, and this is what will go into the oven. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you aren't already a subscriber, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. The honey I have at home isn't enough, so I decided to add some date paste, which I already have in my fridge, and that is what I'm mixing in now. If I had date syrup, I would even use it in place of honey or maple syrup. So maple syrup, honey, or date syrup works well for this recipe too. I have the recipe for date syrup on my channel, not too far away. I will put the link also in the description box. Now that I'm done stirring, I'll press everything down on the pan and put in the oven to bake for 30 minutes on medium heat. I brought out my granola after baking for 25 minutes and it looks good. It is golden brown and it smells so good. I will now gently lift off the granola from the tray. The good thing about making your own granola at home is that you get to decide what goes into it. You get to add your favorite fruits and your favorite nuts. I hope that this recipe inspires you to make yours. I'm going to let it cool a bit. Look, I even got some chunks, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. That's the coconut flakes and raisins. The reason I did not add my coconut flakes from the outset is because it's been baked already, and if I had it at the time I was baking the other ingredients, it may burn, and I don't want that. So it's best to add this now after everything is done together with the raisins, and I'm just going to give this a good stir and it's done. It is very easy. I'm going to let this cool completely before I transfer into a jar for storage. This is my granola. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and I hope you're going to try it out. You can enjoy your granola with milk. You can add it as toppings to your yogurt, or you can make parfait. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.